Hey everybody, it's your friendly graduate assistant. Let's take a few minutes and talk about doubling precision. This is the last in a series of videos about probabilities, standard error of the mean. In order to double precision, we have to take our standard error of the mean, which we figured out to be 0.6, and we have to cut it in half to 0.3. That's a more precise number. It does involve our sample size right here. If you remember the exact equation, it is standard deviation over the square root of your population size equals what you're looking for, which in our case was 0.6. If we plug and play our numbers, we have 12 over the square root of 400 equals 0.6. Herein is the way to double the precision. What we need to do, our variance isn't going to change. That's always going to remain 12. We know already that we have to cut that number in half. What we need to do now is figure out what this number will be. Most everyone would say, oh, all we have to do is double this right here, but that's not the case. What we have to do to half it is quadruple it, or figure it out mathematically as well. In this case, if I look at the number 1600, 12 over the square root of 1600, 12 over 1600 gives us 12 over 40, which gives us 0.3. So to figure out your basically the numbers on how to double precision, reverse engineer the entire equation. Take your numerator, which is your variance, that doesn't change. Take your desired number, which is the doubling of your precision estimate, and then all you have to do is figure out what goes on in your denominator.